join right now, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ma'am, this is Kalyan. I join now.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we should do, ma'am?
1 second, let everybody.
Ma'am, we should take navigators.
No, we started the lesson, right? Second lesson.
You trying to go globes and maps lesson,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we started already.
Ma'am, in the last class, we saw differences of globes and
Yes,
maps,
we
ma'am.
stopped there. Very good. We stopped there.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I'm taking my book. Ma'am, in young navigators also first lesson globes and maps.
Who is screaming like that?
And I don't. And ma'am, in young navigators chapter 1. There is no screen, ma'am. Also globes and maps.
What? What, Shushruta? So let me ask first of all few questions what we learned in the last class before everybody comes up. Rashmi, what is a globe? Rashmita Reddy, what is a globe? I didn't ask Chatvik. Okay, Shushuta, what is globe?
A globe is a thing that shows half of the earth.
What?
A globe is a thing that shows half of the earth.
It's a three-dimensional model of the earth and that shows only half side of the earth.
Ma'am, can I tell this question?
Wait, I will pick up the kids. Ragadruti, what can be seen on the globe?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am,
Ma'am, we can see. Ma'am, we can see the earth, ma'am.
We can see?
Ma'am, we can see countries.
Andrew, 1 second, ma. Andrew, will you please close the door and sit properly?
Ma'am,
There is lot of disturbance. Ragadruti, 1 second. Please, Ragadruti, 1 second. Andrew, please ask your siblings to leave your place. You are having fun with them. You are chatting. You are laughing. You can't concentrate if you do like this.
Ma'am, they are disturbing me, ma'am.
I know that. Please talk to your parents.
Oh, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Tell your mom that I am not able to concentrate.
Okay, ma'am.
Raga, continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Nandini.
Now we can see countries, rivers, oceans, lakes, trees.
Enough. Very good. Yes. Priyanka, what is the first limitation of globe? What is the problem with globe? Nandini? Chatvik?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Chatvik.
What is the problem with the globe?
Difficult to carry, ma'am.
Excellent. First and major thing is it is very difficult to carry. And Sanjay, what is the second drawback? We can see only
we can see only the
half side of the earth. Other side we can't see, isn't it? Yeah. So in order to remove the issues with the globe, what we found out, Kalyan, what is the alternative to globe?
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? Sorry.
I explained everything. In order to remove the issues from problems from the globe, there is an alternative thing. What is that alternative?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ma'am, maths.
Very good.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Sigid Reddy.
Yeah, good afternoon. Ma'am.
Maths, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Kalyan maths.
Map, correct. Aditya, what is a map?
Ma'am, this is Ashmita. Can I tell?
When I asked you, why didn't you respond, Ashmita? The first question I asked you.
Ma'am, they are flat.
Ah,
Ma'am, I have network issue, ma'am.
okay, now tell me what is map? Rashmita, what is map? Again, some problem. Aditya, you say.
Ma'am, they are flat in shape.
Yeah, it is a pictorial representation of Earth. Yeah. Srihit Reddy, who is the person who makes map? Rahiti, who is the person who makes map?
Cartographer.
Excellent. Cartographer. Jessica, which is cheaper, globe or map?
Map.
Very good. Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
which gives more details, globe or map?
Map.
Excellent. Mokshit, which takes less space, globe or map?
Map, ma'am.
Obviously, map. So all of you got a brief idea what is globe, what is map? No, any doubts regard to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's see a video based on what are the different types of maps we have. Okay, there are lots of types of maps.
Hello. Ma'am, I joined now. What I have to do?
Nothing, I'm just asked questions based on globes and maps. I'm just starting the lesson.
What, ma'am?
Somebody, can you please explain him?
Ma'am, what I have to do? Now only
Ma'am is explaining to show us videos. Ma'am, to show us a video, you should not do nothing.
Yeah.
Ma'am is explaining the lesson, we have to listen only. Okay, Siddharth?
Ma'am, this is Sai Akshar. I also joined just now because of network issue.
Can you see and hear?
No, yes, we can see. We can't hear, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. One person, if you say enough.
Globes and maps. Types of maps.
So now we learned that maps are more beneficial
Types of
or
map.
maps are more convenient to use than globes. Now let's learn what are the different types of maps.
Maps can be drawn to represent a variety of information. They can show cities, roads, climate, population, and distribution of minerals.
So there can be different types of maps. So see the first map here, it is showing the different states in our country. What are the border lines? That means this is Telangana. See this cursor. This is Andhra Pradesh. This is Karnataka. This is the boundary. Okay, boundary means if you cross this state, you will go to the next state. This is Maharashtra. This is Madhya Pradesh. All the states, important cities are shown in this first map. There may be road map. Road map means how to go. Suppose I want to go to Delhi. So how I should go? Using the road map, I can use that map and travel from Hyderabad to Delhi without anybody's help. If I just have a map, I can go. And there are also resources map. There are different kinds of resources like iron, manganese, gold, all these things, where it is available, in which state it is available more. That map, that is called as resources map. Population map. Population map means in Telangana, how much population is there? In Karnataka, how much population is there? That we can just see the map and know. Okay, and climate map. Climate means in southern states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, what will be the climate like? In northern regions like Kashmir, Delhi, and all that in the topmost part of India, how the climate will be. So that will be displayed by the climate map.
Maps can be of many types. Political maps.
First one we are going to learn about is political map. What is it? All of you repeat. Political map.
Political map.
On the screen.
See, what does political? Yeah, remember, please. Silence. Silence. In mute mode, you should repeat, not outside. So in political map, it will tell what are the states and cities, important cities.
Political maps. They focus on the state and national boundaries.
Yeah, boundaries. These are the national boundaries. That means if you, this is the Indian national boundary. That means this is the shape of India. If you cross this boundary, you will go to a different country or different place.
Of a place. They also include locations of cities.
Ma'am, where?
Yes.
Ma'am.
So they also, these red things are there, right? These stand for cities. See, this is, I can't make out. Yeah, this is Hyderabad. This is Amaravati, Chennai, Bengaluru, Puducherry, Patna, Mumbai. Wherever you see this red thing, right? Triangle kind of thing, that stands for a city.
Physical maps. They show
So we just learned political map. Political map is for states and cities. Now let's come to physical map. What does physical map say? See here, Eastern Ghats, Nilgiris, Western Ghats, Himalayas, mountains, mountain ranges, all those lakes, that will be displayed in the physical map.
physical maps. They show the physical features of a place. They generally show things like mountains, rivers, and lakes.
So physical features means mountains, rivers, and lakes.
Climate maps. These maps give
Yeah, I already discussed climate maps means how the climate will be cold, heat, humid, or rainfall, like that.
information about the climate of a place. Road maps. These
Yeah, I just gave an example, right? How do I go from Hyderabad? Suppose I'm taking a four-wheeler. I want to go from Hyderabad to Delhi. So if I just carry a road map, that's more than enough.
maps show the major and minor highways and roads, as well as airports, city locations, and points.
Yeah, not just highway roads, airports, city locations, everything will be shown in the road map so that it will become easy for us to travel between two states or two cities.
Economic or resource maps. These maps give us information.
Are you all listening?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You are so silent. I thought
Yes,
I got
ma'am.
doubt. So economic or resource map is, see here, boxes are there, right? Here a small square kind of box, copper. So where
Yes, ma'am.
copper is available, see it's there in Karnataka, it is there in Maharashtra, it is there in Gujarat. In Telangana, there is no copper box. That means,
show where states will be.
yeah, in Telangana, there is no copper box. That means in Telangana, we don't.
What is the copper box?
Okay, bauxite is triangle box. So wherever you find triangle, that means that bauxite mineral is available. And this small,
Gujarat, Rajasthan.
yeah, box,
That's
small bag-like kind, that is iron. Wherever you find bags, that means iron is available there. Similarly,
Gujarat,
gold,
there is a hospital.
not hospital,
The
plus
black
stands
things
for
are-
manganese. Plus stands for manganese, not hospital. Okay, circle, this green circle stands for gold. See, gold is available in Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. What is this place?
Ma'am, white one.
No, green circle. White is copper.
Green one.
Small, not circle.
Green and black.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We Karnataka is there, and in Hyderabad also.
Hyderabad, it is not there, man. Nothing is available in Hyderabad. Slightly it is
Near
in the
to
border.
Hyderabad.
See,
Here.
near to Hyderabad, this it's in the border actually. This is Andhra
In
Pradesh,
Andhra
right?
Pradesh, near there.
It's in the border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You know what are borders, right?
About the major types of
Border means
natural
board,
resources
ma'am.
or economic activities of an area.
Wonderful. So far we have learned the different kinds of maps. Isn't it very interesting?
Border, ma'am.
One small physical map.
Yes, ma'am.
One small
Green
physical
thing
map.
is jewelry, right, ma'am? Jewelry shop,
ma'am.
right, ma'am?
What?
The green things.
No, not jewelry. That is manganese. Gold actually.
Means
Gold
there is
means
stored
gold mines,
gold.
not jewelry. Gold means gold mines. How do they make
Means
jewelry?
coins, ma'am. Gold coins.
No. See, listen, all of you. Kalyan, you have got a doubt. You don't know how to make. See, suppose your mom is wearing some gold necklace, isn't it? How do you think so? They make that gold necklace. First, they will be mines. They dig the earth deep inside the earth. They will get blocks of gold.
Ma'am, gold mines will be there.
Yeah.
Like
All blocks will all,
Yellow color will be, ma'am.
all of you maintain silence. I am explaining to Kalyan. Others don't explain. So there will be some blocks, Kalyan. So that blocks, they will not be directly in gold form. So they will refine it, they will polish it, they will chip it. Then you get the actual gold. That gold block is taken to the jewelry makers. They will chip it, they will make nice shapes.
They are gold blocks.
Yeah, then they make nice ornaments like bangles, earrings, all those things. And then they will distribute to the jewelry shops. Understood how we get
They
gold?
will dig and take the iron also.
Yes, gold mines will be there.
Ma'am, they will get stone also.
Stones kind of things. Blocks, stone, hard stones.
Coins also, coins.
Coins directly it won't be available. Akshad, coins, they have to make coins with some
With
machines.
gold, they will make some gold coin.
Yeah, they will make some machines will be there which make.
Yes, ma'am.
So types of maps we just discussed.
Political
We are seeing again in the political maps we have seen. All of you remain silent, Akshaj. Political maps we have seen, physical maps we have seen, climate maps, road maps, sources or economic maps. Again, here we come across directions. Yeah, how elements of map. A map includes a compass. You already learned about compass that shows the direction.
Ma'am, we can know
Top is the north, opposite is the south.
Directions are east, west, north, south, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So top is the north, down is
Ma'am, directions are east, west, north, south, ma'am.
Why are you repeating the same thing? Huh? I'm explaining, right? So west is the top is the north, opposite is the south, right hand shows the east and left hand shows the west.
When sun rises in
Yes. What are the different things that are used in the maps? Just like how we saw plus for manganese, small.
Yes, ma'am, I saw that one. Ma'am, this is first one for restaurant, hotel. Second one is fuel. Third one is
gas station we
airport.
have red.
Fourth one is
Yes,
school,
yes.
ma'am.
So in
I
order
saw
to
the
locate,
symbol.
suppose we are traveling from one city to another. Suddenly we run out of the petrol. Okay, or we ran out of the gas. So we immediately we open the map and see the nearest petrol bunk, like that. So in a map, blue color denotes water. In general, in the map, in general, if you see, blue color denotes water, isn't it? And green color denotes forests, isn't it? Forests are in green color, isn't it? So in the map,
Yes, ma'am.
blue color denotes water, yellow color denotes deserts, and green color denotes plains, plain lands or forests. The objects and what are the symbols used in the maps? The objects on the map are represented using the symbols. For example, if you see this symbol, that means that there is a hotel nearby. If you see this petrol thing here, there is a gas station nearby. Now, gas station is nothing but petrol bunk. Who is writing on the board?
Ma'am, the name will come, ma'am.
I didn't see any name. I was busy explaining to you. Okay. Then there is a airport. See, can you see the flight picture of aeroplane? That means there
Yes,
is an
ma'am.
airport nearby.
Ma'am, and the
That
top
is blue.
street is very thin,
Last
ma'am.
one is
Very thin.
Yes.
school,
yes.
ma'am.
And there is a school nearby. These symbols, these specific symbols show one particular thing on the map.
Ma'am, you said the
Let me
green
take
or
attendance. Wait. 1 second.
okay, ma'am.
Where is the book? Arav,
Somebody was singing songs, ma'am.
Aditya,
Roll number one.
everybody silence. Total silence, please. If you don't say, listen to me. If you don't say present within 1 second, I will put absent. Later, if you say present, I won't give. Andrew,
Ma'am, Aditya.
Present, ma'am. Roll number 4, Andrew, present.
no need to tell roll number for Andrew. If I just say Andrew, say yes. That's it.
Roll number.
Aditya, I gave you present. Don't worry. Charvi,
Present, ma'am.
Diya, Jessica,
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya, I didn't call yet, ma. Wait. Diya, Jessica, Grace Olive, Avisha,
Present, ma'am.
Ayamant,
Present, ma'am.
Hitvika, Jason, Jay Sridat, Jessica,
And this is Jason. Present. And this is Jason present,
Agay
ma'am.
present.
Ma'am,
Karthik, Lakshmi Saiti,
Present, ma'am.
Lohita, Mansura,
Lakshmi Sahi.
Pehel.
Ma'am, this is Kalyan. I'm also present.
I didn't call you yet. Rahiti, Pehel.
Present.
Pehel absent, right?
Changed.
Oh, ma'am, Pehel present.
Okay. Ragadruti.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Rahiti. I gave.
Present, ma'am.
Rashmita, Abhiram,
Present, ma'am. This is
Sam,
Present.
Rashmita present. Oh, okay. Samuel, Sanjay,
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Shanvita, Varshini, Shushruta,
Present, ma'am.
Tejasvi, Priyanka,
present, ma'am.
Satvik,
Satvik is present, ma'am.
Dharmik, Manvit, Manasvi,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Akshaj,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Deepa, Kalyan,
Kalyan, present, ma'am.
Prihit,
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya,
Ma'am, did you call me Bhavya?
I already gave. Okay, all of you open book page number 22. Yes, which map shows the boundaries of the country? Physical, political, or resource? Boundaries means always political.
Political map. Political map.
Very. Which color is used to show the deserts on the map? Blue, yellow, green.
Yellow.
Yes.
Yellow,
Very good.
Yellow, ma'am.
And why symbols are used to used in the map? To make it colorful, to confuse people, to show certain things.
To show.
To show certain things.
Ma'am, to show certain things.
Yeah, all of you do.
And to show certain.
Ma'am, what is the page number? Ma'am, which book?
20 seconds.
22, Rise Young Navigators. Rise Young Navigators.
Not
Rise Young
navigators.
Navigators 22.
No, Rise Elements. This is not Navigator's book. This is Elements book.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, why do we use a compass? To measure rainfall, to measure body temperature, or to find directions?
To find directions. Can you show me that, please, ma'am? Please, ma'am. Ma'am, to show me, to show directions.
Very good.
Ma'am, can you show me the next page?
One page, somebody is asking.
3 page.
That's Rashmita, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am, let's go to fill in the blanks.
Somebody is asking, ma. Wait, let them write.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am, already. Ma'am,
Finished already?
Yes, ma'am, my name is Sai Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Next, dash can be rotated to show the movements of the earth.
Globe.
Yes, physical maps give information about physical features.
Physical features, ma'am.
That shows only half of the earth at a time. Only
Globe.
shows half of the earth at a time. Yellow color on the map is used to show
Deserts.
And question answers I will forward in the group and match the column with A, B with B. Blue means water. Green means plains. That means flat lands. Yellow means
Ma'am, I
desert.
finished it, ma'am, already.
Not finished it. Only finished.
Yesterday only you sent that one. Finished it. Ma'am,
If you are traveling by road,
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
you are
writing, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing. Ma'am, I finished. Can you take off?
Now you can take the screen, ma'am. I finished.
Others are still writing. Wait.
I finished, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. And next lesson is movements of the earth.
Movements of the earth, that is rotation and
Movements of the earth. Ma'am, next is movements of the earth, ma'am.
I know.
Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished?
Ma'am, can you show page number 24?
So if you are traveling by road to another state, what would you carry? A map or a globe? Obviously map, because it is easy to carry.
Map, ma'am. It is easy to carry.
Very good.
So, page number 23.
23, yeah?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Rashmika, right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing page
Ma'am, I'm
number.
Where is this?
We are writing page number 24, ma'am. We are writing page number 24.
Where is this sound coming from? Please,
Ma'am, now we are writing in this book, ma'am.
which book?
This.
I can't see your book.
Yes.
Not that book.
Okay, ma'am. I thought that is ma'am cares. Ma'am, now can you show page number 24?
Ma'am, can you go to the 23rd page?
Ma'am, I'll take screenshot. Can you show ma'am that one?
I am already showing. Take a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am. Page number 24, ma'am.
Okay. Charvi, lot of disturbance from your place, but still you are in unmute state.
Sorry, is always in mute. Ma'am, can you show page number 23, ma'am?
When the moment I show 24, again you are saying 23.